Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo.
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And on this edition, let's talk about idioms. 我們來請這個 Leo 呢，再教我們一些好玩的客家諺語，好不好？
好，
你說。
那我開始咯。富商有口權，
富商有口權，
寧叔不砍錢，
寧叔不砍錢。That's an idiom again in Hakka, and I'm trying to break it down, but I'm having trouble here. So Leo, help me out. 到底是什麼意思？
好，它國語的意思就是虎生有可敬。
虎生有可敬，虎生，你說老虎的虎嗎？
對。
OK， 虎生有可敬，它可以靠近它。
对，就是老虎虽然很生疏，但是呢，如果关在笼子里面，我们至少还可以比较稍微靠近一点啊。那下一句叫做人熟不堪亲。
哦，开始有点懂了。熟的人不能太亲近，或者亲近会有问题出现。
他的意思就是讲说，人呐是有想法的动物。
I see，
就是因为有想法，所以脑筋转得快，
复杂，
所以呢复杂。的动物呢，可能反倒还比较单纯一点。
对。Interesting idiom. If you to break it down literally, it means even though the tigers are ferocious, they're dangerous animals, but sometimes you can still get close to them without being hurt or anything. But people you think you're familiar with could be dangerous, or it could even betray you. 很好的一个警惕哦。这里面有讲到老虎，虎怎么说？
老虎，
that's the tiger, okay? And sometimes you can get close to them. 可以靠近，靠近怎么说？
行權，
And then a person, 人，
人
okay? 有时候不能太亲近，亲近。
動情，
that means getting close to someone, all right? And let's go ahead and hear this idiom fully explained in English.There
are times when you might be able to approach a wild tiger, but you cannot assume you're close to a person just because you see them day in and day out. This traditional Hakka saying teaches us that while the tiger may be ferocious, but in a way it's simple-minded. Humans, on the other hand, are intelligent creatures that can be calculating and capable of backstabbing each other.
And one more time, Leo, 念一次给我们听。
富商有口權，寧叔不砍錢。
Like they say in English, keep your friends close, but keep your enemies closer. 有时候敌人呢是要亲近一点才会了解他们的。英文有这种说法。There you go. That does for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.